Every single day, thousands of new videos are uploaded on this YouTube platform, and most of those videos they never get seen. Why? Because small YouTubers keep making the same mistakes over and over and over again. If your views are stuck, your channel feels invisible in this YouTube street, and you are wondering, what am I doing wrong? Then this video is for you. That is why in today's video, I will break down the 5 mistakes that are silently killing small channels and how you can fix them to grow your own YouTube channel faster in this year 2025. So if this is a kind of video you want to see on my channel today, do well to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I publish videos like this. Without any further ado, let me take you down into the main video. The very first mistake small YouTubers are making on this YouTube street is blaming the YouTube algorithm. I know it is easy to say YouTube is not pushing my videos, but let me tell you the truth. The algorithm is not your enemy in any way. The YouTube algorithm is like a mirror. It only reflects how viewers react to your own videos. Now, if people don't click on your video, or rather they don't watch your video and don't stay on your channel, YouTube will stop recommending those videos. Instead of blaming the system, why not ask yourself, is my title clickable? Was my thumbnail scroll stopping? Did I hook my audience, my viewers, in the first 10 seconds of my video? Now, after you must have asked yourself this question, now the algorithm follows your audience behavior. So if your audience loves it, if they love your video, if they love what you are doing on your channel, the algorithm will follow them according to your viewers' behavior. And from there, they will start clicking on your video, watching your video. The very second mistake YouTubers make on this platform is that they lack a clear goal. Yes, I have seen so many small YouTubers post random. They post random videos. They are not being specific on the type of content they upload. Now, let's say today you post a vlog, the next day you post a makeup tutorial, then the next upper week you post a tech review. Now, when you are posting all those random videos, you are confusing the YouTube algorithm, and not just the algorithm, your audience. So instead of all this, ask yourself, what is my channel all about? Who am I speaking to? What do I want my viewers to get from me? Now, if you want to grow, pick a direction. One clear niche is enough for you. Build your audience, because confused channel don't grow on YouTube. I have said it in one of my videos like that any channel that is confusing, YouTube doesn't push that channel because they are confusing the algorithm in the YouTube space. So the only channel that are being pushed and recommended to YouTube are the clear channels. If you're a kind of YouTuber that posts randomly, please try to pick a niche for your channel and stick on that niche. You're going to grow on your channel. The mistake number 3 small YouTubers are doing right now is quitting too soon. Let me be honest, most small YouTubers quit not because they are not good, but because they expect quick results. Like they expect faster results. Like they just want to upload videos, start YouTube today, and boom, they start going viral. And now this is what they do. They upload 3 videos and nothing happens. So they stop uploading. Now let me tell you, success on this YouTube is not instant. Yes, it is your consistency. It is your learning. It is the way you are showing up. You are showing up. It is your content. It is the way you are so passionate about your content. Personally, I remember a time I uploaded videos that only got me 10 views. By the time I kept learning, twerking, improving, trying different things that might work for me, from there, my channel started picking up. So if you stay consistent and keep leveling up your content, your time will actually come. Don't expect manna to fall down from heaven. Okay, the fourth mistake small YouTubers are making, and what they are really doing on this YouTube, is by copying big creators too much. Yes, you can get inspired. I didn't say you cannot copy big creators, but you can get inspired by big YouTubers. But the mistake they do is that their strategy might not work for you yet. They already have fans, they already have big audience who watches their video, even though when they posted anyhow video, their audience is there to watch their video. So instead of copying creator A, creator B, creator C, study creators just one step ahead of you. Yes, see what is working for small creators growing in your niche. Then adapt to it to fit your own voice and the type of audience you have on your own channel. The thing that work for them might actually not work for you. So that is why you need to find your own workout. You need to find your own success, the one that is working for your audience. Sometimes you might just copy their video title, and when you are recreating the title to your own channel, you compare the type of subscriber you have and the subscriber and views those big creators have. Now what are you going to do to fit in your voice? Recreate that title, take out some things and add some things so that it can actually work for you. This is how small YouTubers copy big YouTubers, and their videos are going viral. And definitely they are even growing their YouTube channel. So when you keep doing those things, it will actually work for you. Trust me, this is how I actually find what works for me on this my channel. The very fifth mistake small YouTubers are making on this YouTube is that they are trying to be perfect before starting. Yes, the thing that is when they have everything ready, they'll start their channel. So many small YouTubers today delay creating content because they feel they need the perfect camera. They need a perfect background. They need a perfect lighting. They need a perfect microphone. They need a perfect voice. No, no, no. All those things are just vanity. No, no, no. It ain't no for me. Start with what you have. You grow by doing all those things, not by waiting. You can grow by the little ones you have. You can grow by the little smartphone you have. You can grow by the. It's not a must you must have the fancy gear. Your first 10 videos won't be perfect, and that is fine. Yes, you might post about 20 videos and it's not looking all that good. It is fine. It is normal. So every big YouTubers once posted a shaky videos and a messy video with awkward editing. Just all you have to do is just start now. I mean, start now. As I'm talking to you, you will get better as you go, not like before. So instead of you to be waiting when you have the perfect camera, the perfect iPhone, the perfect mic, just start with what you have. And by as time goes on, you start growing. And when you grow to the extent that you can afford those things, fine. Then it's an improvement for you and your what? Your channel. So now you know the 5 biggest mistakes holding back small YouTubers. Avoid this, and you are already ahead of most small YouTubers. So if you find this video of value, hit that button, subscribe, and drop me in the comment section no more mistakes in 2025. So I know you are serious about growing your channel. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Stop making this mistake.